Hello, my name is Anthony Wilson, and I am Program Coordinator for REMAKE 4.0. REMAKE 4.0 is a revolutionary partnership between educators, employers, and the Workforce Board. It's my privilege to be able to be here with three amazing individuals from our educational partnerships. We have Brianna Pena, we have John Henshaw, and Steve McNamara. We will hear from each one of them a little bit about what they do for this training grant, and maybe have some anticipated answers for questions that we know that you would have if you were here live with us. So I'm going to start off with John Henshaw. John, introduce yourself.
Thank you, Anthony. My name is John Henshaw, and so I'm the Dean of Workforce Development at Mount Wachusett Community College. And in addition to the credit associate degree programs you can get at the Mount, we have a lot of non-credit training that are really specific trainings to help advance careers, get you into new careers. And that's what we're doing here in partnership with the MassHire North Central Workforce Board and Anthony Wilson. We have a variety of different programs that we offer. The first one that we have coming up is going to be an automation and robotics program. We've had to, of course, modify our content now to address COVID concerns. And so we are scheduling it as a hybrid course, meaning a significant portion of the material will be online, but there will also be some hands-on activities as well, where students will have a chance to learn about programmable logic controllers and industrial robotics using actual equipment and training materials to help understand these processes. So that class is coming up, and just like all the classes that we're going to speak about, you know, Brianna Pena, Anthony Wilson, there are people to contact in order to get enrolled into the programs and to look for the grant funding that will help pay the cost of the tuition. So after the automation and robotics class, we'll actually running it concurrently. We have a program in SolidWorks, which is a 3D computer-aided design program that's completely online, and that's going to be run on Wednesday nights, starting at the beginning of February, and it will run for a total of 20 weeks. So it's a chance for students to get exposed. You can start with no knowledge of CAD or some knowledge with CAD, but the end result will be that you'll be able to sit for the SolidWorks certificate associate credential. So that has a credential associated with it. That's one of our earmarks, is to find a non-credit certification with each program. Like in the automation robotics class, you will get the FANUC robotics certification. We also have a program coming up for warehouse and supply chain associate. I mean, there are a lot of jobs in warehouse activities, either through e-commerce companies like Quiet Logistics, or warehouse distribution centers like O'Reilly Auto Parts, or companies who are manufacturing goods, such as your SMCs and your J-Bills, etc., where products are being incoming materials coming in and products going out. And so this whole supply chain is very critical to manufacturing. And so we're excited about that program. That has some online curriculum, and we'll do some in-class activities for that as well. So that would also be a hybrid class. We have two other programs. We have the Quality Yellow Belt program. That is, quality is the field where you're following protocols and processes to ensure that the products and services that a company makes or delivers meets the customer and any regulatory expectations. And of course, with biomedical devices, pharmaceuticals, you know, there's so much at risk because this is the stuff that's going into people. So you need to have a good quality system. And so what we do is we provide training that aligns with the American Society for Quality Yellow Belt certification exam, which is something that we'll prepare you for and which you'll be able to take at the end of the program. All this material will be available to you, certainly by somebody who can connect you with the content, and perhaps will speak a little slowly so that you don't ramble through it like I have a tendency to do. Fortunately, our other program, CNC, or Computer Numerical Control Operator, is a program we have the instructor for, who will be able to speak a little bit more in depth about that. And that's basically machine tool work. Historically, parts were made manually, one at a time, by an experienced, trained machinist. Now we still need those skills, but we have computer programs that will run the machines in an automated fashion so that the parts can be, produced at a higher volume and great accuracy. So those are the programs we have in a nutshell. And we'll be looking forward to hearing more questions from you, but I'll send it back to Anthony to take it next.
Awesome. Thank you very much, John. One of the last classes you were speaking of was the CNC course. In fact, we have the instructor for the CNC course, Steve McNamara, with us today. Steve, can you talk a little bit about the course, sir?
Yes, my name is Steve McNamara. I teach at Leominster High School Center for Technological Education. I have been there almost 30 years now. The CNC programming and operator training course that we will be teaching, I will teach you how to set up parts, touch off tools, change all your offsets, how to find program zeros, and G-code programming, which is a must. This is very much in demand right now. If you were to look online for jobs in the CNC machine field right now, you can really go anywhere across the country, anywhere across the globe, and land a job. We will teach you from the basics, how to download a program, what a piece of material is, how to cut it, how to measure the part before you actually take it out. We have 13 CNC milling machines on our floor, and we have 5 CNC lathes that you will be training on. The machines that we run are from Haas Automation and Prototrax. I am available to speak with anybody on site. If you would like a tour, you can reach out. I can be met during the day, in the evening, anytime that is convenient for you. I am available probably 24/7, 5 days a week. Okay.
So how would they get in contact with you? Do you have an email address or?
Okay, there's one of 2 ways. The first way, you can actually call the school. The school's number is 978-534-7735, extension 2616. And then my email is Steven.McNamara, STEVEN.MCN as in Nancy, AMARA. That's at leominsterschools.org.
Great. Thank you very much. In transitioning from there, we have my counterpart, Brianna Pena, with us, and she is an amazing recruiter for Mount Wachusett Community College. Can you talk a little bit about kind of what you do and what you have to offer in your role throughout this process for this training grant?
Yeah, thanks, Anthony. So everyone, hi, my name is Brianna Pena, and I am a career coordinator for Mount Wachusett. So I like to describe myself as I'm kind of like the bookends of the course. In the beginning, I help Anthony with recruiting through the different funding sources that we have for all the different manufacturing programs. I help, get the application process and all the data together and get you guys ready, signed up for the course. You go through the course, and I'm there to be a support system for you guys, as I look at it. If you guys have any issues, any concerns, any fears, anything for that matter, I'm here for you. And then at the end, Booktail, I am a certified resume writer and career coach, which is just a fancy title that I've been doing this for about almost 9 years now, writing resumes, working on job searching, mock interviewing, and I'm just here as a resource to help you guys find employment after all this training. You did all your hard work, you finished it, and now the outcome is an employment opportunity. Like Anthony and my previous background, I love going out and talking to the HR and hiring managers, even CEOs of companies, and getting to know them and getting to know our program so they trust us when we send our students to them. It's like a networking opportunity, whoever and opportunities, they trust our word. They trust the people that I send over, and same with Anthony. So you kind of get the best of both worlds, where you get Anthony and myself through these programs, and any single one of them. And we're here to help you guys not only be trained and educated through our amazing instructors that we have. Steve is just one of the many that we have, and of them are just as willing to be a resource and helpful to everyone. And then you have myself and Anthony at the end of it to help guide you if you are looking for employment, and if you are an incumbent worker, somebody who's currently already working in a company that you might like, but you're trying to upskill your skills. I can help you with negotiation for a raise, how to seeing about promotions, all that fun stuff. So we're here as a resource to make sure that you guys are comfortable taking the next step in whatever direction that might be.
Well, thank you very much, Brianna. I just want to say to all the people who aren't with us, but you're watching this either on YouTube or on another platform, we'd love for you to reach out to us. My email is awilson@masshighernorthcentralwb.com. I will also have the contact information from the people that joined us here today. We would love for you to participate in these courses because Massachusetts truly is a great state, and we have some amazing technology making amazing advancements, and we're continually leading our country's revolution, especially when it comes to this industrial revolution. So I want to say thank you very much, and I look forward to hearing from you.